What's up? It's another beautiful sunshiny day in St. Pete. I'm really excited today because I'm going to be getting the exclusive look at all things art. We're going to the Warehouse Arts District. We're going to be doing everything from gallery tours to glass blowing to clay throwing. We're at Black Crow Coffee. I just had some caffeine. I'm ready to get the day started. Every second Saturday, there is an art walk that happens right here in St. Pete. Here at the Art Exchange, this is one of the biggest stops. Tell me a little bit about where we are at the Arts Exchange.
So this is MGA Sculpture Studio, which is at the Arts Exchange. So right through this door is where we make really cool stuff. Right now, we are in the middle of fabrication of a monument to the first flight. That's the first commercial aviation flight, and it happened right here in St. Petersburg.
I didn't know that. Let's check this one out. What are you working on here today?
Right now I'm working on a custom piece for a client. As you can see, I'm starting with the eyes, so I kind of get those sunken into the canvas. So we have 29 studios here at the Arts Exchange, and people kind of range from painting, photography, sculpture. We also have jewelers, so it's really cool.
You guys literally have everything. Like
Everything.
Any kind of art you could think of, it's here. We just got to Zen Glass. We're gonna see what it's all about. Wow, I can tell it's a hot shop. I can already feel the heat.
You can already feel the heat.
I thought it was hot outside, but whew.
So this is our gallery area, and you can kind of see some examples of things that we've done. This is featuring all local artists here in St. Petersburg.
Cool.
Kind of people that are connected to the studio in one way or another. So you're gonna do a wine glass. First thing you're gonna do is pick yourself out 3 colors.
Ooh, I like this part. Love the colors.
The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take these skinny rods on your bench and we're gonna attach these colors that you picked out over from the band. We're gonna take this thicker rod and we're gonna build up a big mass of color and clear and make a big blob.
You know, I'm just kind of letting the glass tell me what shape I'm going for. Oh, wow. That's so cool. Holy smokes. Sweaty high fives. Yes. Thank you so much for showing me how to do that. You're like the best teacher ever. It's been an amazing jam-packed day of art, but I'm ready to get my hands dirty and finish this day off with a bang, but hopefully I don't get this skirt dirty. We'll see.
Welcome to the Maureen Center for Clay.
Thank you.
I think we've got a few minutes before you're going to throw, so we can give you a quick 2-cent tour.
I would love to.
Maureen Art Center, our clay program, we have 6 artists in residence. These are young people from around the country. Let me show you that we have 55 studio members working in the building. Folks from really all around the country that have moved here because of the pottery, which is really wonderful to say.
Wow, this looks like the place, and you look like the guy that's gonna show me how to do something out of pottery.
Yeah, welcome.
Always wanted to do this, and I really gotta throw it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and seal it with your finger.
Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. So next step, painting, right? I don't even think I got anything on my skirt. All right. So I think, yeah, everyone needs to check out the Warehouse Arts District. There's something for everyone, and whew, man, I'm feeling the inspiration, that's for sure.